Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zafina in Tekken 8. Zafina is a highly technical character who excels at confusing opponents with her unique stance-based combat. Her playstyle revolves around fluidly transitioning between her three distinct stances: Scarecrow, Tarantula, and Mantis. Understanding when and how to use each stance is fundamental to unlocking her full potential and dominating your matches. Let's dive into her stances. Scarecrow, or SCR, is excellent for maintaining pressure and evading high attacks. Tarantula Tar is your go-to for tricky low mix-ups and throws, keeping opponents guessing. Finally, Mantis, MNT, is a defensive powerhouse, allowing for precise parries and devastating counterattacks. Seamlessly switching between these three stances is key to her unpredictable nature. Now, let's highlight some essential moves. Wrath of the Scorpion, input as down forward +2, is a fantastic counter-hit launcher that sets up big damage. For a powerful unblockable, try Soul Siphon with back +1/+2. Don't forget to practice basic combos, such as Scarecrow 1-2-3, to ensure consistent damage output and capitalize on your openings. To truly master Zafina, focus on unpredictability. Constantly mix up your stance transitions to prevent opponents from adapting. Leverage her exceptional evasive properties to punish aggressive attacks and create openings. Prioritize whiff punishment and counter-hitting, as these are where Zafina truly shines, allowing you to convert small advantages into significant damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.